Alright, so this is wild dogs tear bunny in half. Wild dogs? I'm thinking they're hyenas. Maybe there's I think I can't remember what wild dog. They're like close to the family of hyenas or in the family of hyenas, something like that. But let's check it out. So you see they look just like hyenas. African wild dogs. Are they hyenas? Nah, they hyenas, their jaw is bigger, their mouth is bigger. Bruh, hyenas, they have the strongest jaw out of the animal kingdom. What apart from hippo, but I think like they shoes.
Yeah, it's got.
Damn. What the fuck is that hanging? Was
So
that
see,
was that two testicles? Oh, this is crazy. Yo.
very successful hunters, like we were just saying. And see how the pups just quickly run in here just to try to steal it away.
Damn. They really wild.